In today's video, I'm going to cover the differences between the project catalog section on Upwork and the portfolio section on Upwork. I'm also going to review which one you should use and how they can both be used to sign more clients on Upwork. And so if you're not already familiar, the Upwork portfolio section is a chance for you to showcase examples of your work. So if you help companies design new logos, an example of this would be having some of the logos you've designed in your portfolio. This gives clients who are viewing your profile an opportunity to see some examples of your work and determine if you have the required skill set for their project. You can also attach items in your portfolio to your proposals if they're relevant to the job you're applying to. And no matter what service you're offering on Upwork, I highly recommend creating a portfolio for your profile. And if you're not sure how to do that, feel free to check out this video on my channel, which is going to show you exactly how to set up and optimize your portfolio. Now on to project catalogs. The project catalog section of Upwork is a chance for you to put your services out there and make them available for anybody to buy. Publishing a project catalog makes your service public and gives clients the opportunity to purchase it directly from you without even messaging you. Now, this will work best if you offer a standardized service. So what do I mean by that? Well, a standardized service is a service that has the exact same deliverables no matter who buys it. So for example, if you design logos on Upwork, the project catalog section would be perfect for you because no matter what type of client buys a logo from you, the deliverables are going to be exactly the same. You'll probably give them 1 or 2 revisions and send them the final logo in a few different types of files. So if you offer a completely standardized service and you charge less than $1,500, the project catalog section would be perfect for you. And if you want to know exactly how I set up my project catalogs, you can check out this video that I have on my channel. Now, although the portfolio section and the project catalog section have their similarities, there are a few major differences. The project catalog is an opportunity for clients to purchase specific services from you at a fixed price. As you can see, clients can search on Upwork for projects and purchase them directly from you without ever having to message you. On the other side, your portfolio section is meant to display examples of your work, but they're not available for purchase. So if a client is viewing your profile, they can click on your portfolio and they can see examples of your work to determine if you would be a good fit for their project. And as you can imagine, if you have an amazing portfolio, you'll be invited to more jobs, get more messages, and close more clients. All in all, both project catalogs and portfolios can be used to make you a lot more money on Upwork. But as we covered in this video, the ways that each of them should be used are drastically different. And so that's all I've got for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.